So today I have a new entertainment stand for the TV. Now I'm not going to record the entire assembly, but I wanted to give you an idea of how many pieces are involved. And this is everything here except for the little bit of hardware that's over by the drill. Now they don't recommend using a drill. I do it, I'm just careful with it. And but anyway, I'll show you it once it gets put together and how it looks. So here's how it looks once you have it all put together. You got doors on the sides here. You got cutouts in the back of each side. That way you can run your cords. You also got your shelf in the middle, no door there. And the same thing on the right side. You got another door with a shelf. Anyway, it's pretty nice. Now it did take a little bit longer to put it together, but the instructions are pretty easy and pretty straightforward on it. All right, here's what the stand looks like with a 65-inch TV on it. It does support up to 65 inches, and it does hold it pretty well. The TV is actually bigger than the stand though.